Hey guys, do you want to protect your computer system from different types of threats? You must have to watch this video till end because I'm going to discuss about different types of threats to our computer system which damages our computer system. Start from computer security threats. Okay, so before starting, let me give you a brief intro about this tutorial. So in this tutorial we will going to discuss about computer security threats and its types. Okay, and after it I am going to give you some prevention methods. So again, make sure you must have to watch this video till end. Okay, so basically, what is computer security threat? So computer security threat is a loss of data, loss of your sensitive informations, and damage in your computer environment, computer hardware, and damage in your computer infrastructure. Okay, so what are the types of computer security threats? So there are two types of computer security threats. The first one is physical computer security threat, or we can say physical, and the second one is non-physical threats. Okay, so what is physical threat? So physical threat is basically the damage in your computer system, hardware, and infrastructure. Okay, so let's move in the next type that is very important, and the type is non-physical threat. Okay, so what is non-physical threat? Okay, so basically non-physical threat is like virus attacks, okay, or stealing your sensitive information from your computer, or accessing your computer, monitoring your computer, filling your computer system without your permission, or unauthorized access to a system, to a computer system without the permission of the owner. Okay, so this is basically kind of a non-physical threat. So basically virus, worms, trojans, and phishing, DOS attacks, DDoS attacks comes in this category. So physical threat and non-physical threat, these are the threats. So let's move in the prevention methods, that how we can prevent our computer system from these types of threats. Okay, so basically we have to do just small things to prevent from these types of threats. That is, so to prevent our computer system from viruses, trojans, we have to use a antivirus software. Okay, and I also suggest that don't visit insecure websites, the website which contains viruses, and unauthorized programs which contains viruses, trojans, worms. So don't visit this kind of websites. And pausing the lecture, I want to say that if you want to know that how to block a insecure website, so I have a video on it on my channel. I will provide the link in the description box and also in the I button. So make sure that you are going to watch that video after this video. So let's move further, and we are on the prevention of viruses. So these are by using antiviruses we can prevent our system from viruses, from trojans. Okay, now let's move further. Use a strong authentication method. How we can use? Using a strong user ID and password is the best way to protect your computer system. I recommend you that you must have to use a strong user ID and password. Okay, by using a strong user ID and password, your system is protected more strongly. Okay, now the next thing comes, that how to protect our system from DOS attacks, from DDoS attacks. So intrusion prevention method is the best way to protect from DOS attacks. So this is the all tutorial, and let me summarize it all. The computer security threat is stealing of your sensitive information without your permission, accessing your sensitive information without your permission, and these are of two types: physical and non-physical threats. Physical threats are basically damaging your system hardware and infrastructure. Okay, and the next one is non-physical threat. In non-physical threat, the stealing of your sensitive information, your important data without your permission, and monitoring your system without your permission, using your system without your permission, and doing illegal activities. And in non-physical threats, virus, trojans, phishing, DOS attack, DDoS attacks comes. So I hope you got this all, and you are going to protect your system more strongly. So I hope this video helped you a lot. So please like the video, comment your doubts in comment section, and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, because I am regularly uploading quality contents for you all. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.